Welcome to all. So today we will learn about a find command. So find command is using to search file or directories. So earlier we learned about a grab command. Grab command is used to search content inside a file or directory. Now today we will learn about a find command. So it will use to search any file or directory. Let's say where I want to search. Let's take example. I want to search inside it /temp. And let's say I want to search with a name and I want to search with the test underscore and let's say any file name, let's say test file name I want to search here. So let me enter. So now you can see I'm able to find here. So by default, it will take both file or directories on or any special files or something. Okay, but if you think you want to search only file only, not for directories, so how we can do it here? We can use the arguments hyphen type f. So f means file here. Okay, so sorry, uh, I need to use a here before that. Okay, before that or after that I can use here hyphen t and f. Okay, f means files. Now you can see here if I try to do with a d means directory. So nothing, test, there is nothing. Let me create a directories here. So we have a directory directory one directory is there, and let me create a make directory test here. Okay, I have created a test directory here. Let me come out from here and now let's search here. So now it's show me the result here. Let me use a hyphen f. So f will show the file here. And if I'm not using anything, I don't want to use any type here. I just want to search only test here. Now I can see here. So let's search about a password file. And if I use a slash, it will show me, it will take some time. That's okay. Now you can see it will show us a how many password files are available here. So now you can see, but we don't know how many these are files or directories. But if you want to get more clarity, then use a hyphen type and you want to see the directories only. So the count is less now and f now the count is you can see. But if you want to see the file and more detailed information like ls-l command, you want to execute this command here. So yes, we can do here. So how we can use a execute, and here we can use a ls-l and here. So let me use a hyphen execute and I want to execute any command ls-l and I need to use a two curly braces. It will make as like a loop here, and it is a part here I need to use a semicolon. So semicolon means in a when we are executing a two commands, so it means to segregation. But right now it is a part of a find command, then I need to make it as a backslash. So it means it is a part of this syntax. So now let me execute it. Now you can see the results here. You are able to see as a ls-l here. Okay. So let me do in the cases of a directories as well also. So directory, if I did it, so I need to use a ls-ld. So at least I want to see only directory, not for content inside. So let me use a d here. Now you can see here directories as well also. So here show as a directories here, and or let's say I change it here. Let me make as a test here. So let's see where is we will find out test. So you can see how many. Okay, so how many files having a test files only? So you can see Python 3.6 having also test something. Okay, so but I want to search inside a uh, temp directory. So here you will only find out one because right now I choose only specific, or if I choose only inside a USR. So let's see. So now you can see the results here, USR, and inside USR, how many files there with the here. So now only one file, that is a USR bin and test one is a file there. So like that we can search, and we have another option. So right now I have produced this example here. Let's say here these are the result here, but if you think this is a syntax you need to remember it. Let me give you the substitute here. So we have a xargs command. So xargs command, and let me use a -ld. So it's your wish. Either you can choose this way, or either you can choose this way. So have you remembered in earlier example? Okay, that later I will take it. Okay, so right now you can see the both commands are same here. Here I'm doing a manipulation with another command, but here this is a part of a find command only, but here it is not. Here I'm using another command, I'm using a manipulation here, and with the help of a manipulation I'm producing the same result here. But here having arguments, that is the execute arguments, and here I need to give a, and it's look like a your loop. uh, so as like a loop it's walking. So after that it is a part of a syntax here. So why I have used the slash here? So let's me give you the produce some example here. Right now I'm doing uptime here. I'm using a w. So you can see both the outputs have been executed, both the commands has been executed, and we are able to see both the results here. Okay, but if I used a slash here, so what happened now? Command not found, something. So it understand it is a part of a, now what it understand? It understand here it's a part of this one. Okay, but here it is a part of a syntax here. Okay, so that is a meaning here. It's not a segregation. Either it calculate as it is a segregation between two commands.